Unveiling Updates. Understanding, Rollout and Update. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that's become a staple in both the tech world and beyond: rollout and update. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, usage, and origins, making it easy for English learners to grasp and use confidently. Rollout is a phrasal verb that paints a vivid picture. Imagine something being unrolled or deployed for everyone to see or use, like a red carpet at a gala event. When we combine it with an update, we're talking about introducing changes or improvements to a product, software, or service. This could be anything from fixing bugs in an app to launching new features on a website. To truly understand how rollout and update is used, let's look at some examples. Tech companies. Our team is excited to roll out an update to our app next week, introducing new, user-requested features. Software updates. Microsoft plans to roll out an update for Windows that addresses security concerns. Service enhancements. The coffee shop will roll out an update to their menu, adding vegan options due to popular demand. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, applicable in various scenarios where improvements are introduced. Understanding phrases like rollout and update is crucial for English learners because it helps you navigate conversations about technology, business, and innovation more effectively. It's a clear way to discuss introducing changes and ensures you can participate in discussions about advancements and improvements in any field. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of rollout and update. It's a phrase that captures the essence of progress and innovation, something we see all around us every day. Whether it's a software update on your phone or a new feature on your favorite website, now you can talk about these changes confidently in English. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!